Hi, hi. I am so excited to speak to you today after so many days, and I think it's been almost a year since I last put out a video on YouTube. And I'm so sorry for this. It's not going to happen anymore, and I am going to be putting up much more content out there because I have so much to share. There is news, there's lots of exciting news. One being that I've recently, okay, actually, stop. Before I go on to tell you to do like new things, let me just give you a recap of all the things that you already know. Last year in 2020, I published my first book, and before that, in fact, I published my first audiobook with Storytel. It's there, I published in January 2020. It started with short and sweet story, fictional romantic story, and then that gave me the confidence to publish my first poetry book of Sparkle, to bring in some positivity during the time when Corona had just started. This is April 2020. When I saw the success that the first book was getting, and that was like a collection of my previous poems, I published another book that is Romance with Lockdown, and that had some of my poems that I created completely from scratch during lockdown. So it had poems to do with family, it had poems to do with like the struggles of lockdown, isolation if people had been living alone, the political scenario at that point, and lots of like self-exploratory topics, which were amazing, and I'm sure they're going to give you a growth and perspective and a chance to reflect as well. So that's that. So now in 2020 was a very eventful year. Like in 2020 I was able to publish 3 books, which gave me a lot of confidence and a leap in terms of like the growth that it's given me, and I feel so much more confident about myself, and I'm so happy. Both the books, all the 3 books, are there online. I can put the links below, and both the books, my poetry books that I published myself, they're there on Amazon, they're there on Apple Books, Google Books, so you can just go out there and order them at any point. So it's all cool. Go out there, support your fellow artist, fellow writer. Okay, so that's there on the book front. Then, because I've been writing poetry, I got a lot of people coming up to me asking that, oh my god, you're so good, we keep writing poetry but we don't have the confidence to speak it or publish it or like do something out of it. We want to do something out of it. So then I made this course called Poetry Performance 101, Tools of Self-Expression. So it actually helps you to write a poem and then being able to perform it online in front of a camera, like I've done it in some of my previous videos. So that course is on Skillshare, Udemy, it's there on One Education, and now very recently it's also there on Academia. So whichever platform you're there on, just go out there and have a look at the course if you're a poetry enthusiast like me, or if you just want to express yourself but can't figure out what to. On that note, this year, very recently, there's a follow-up update on that, and I'm so excited to share it with you all. It is on my latest course. So throughout the year, when this my first course was active, I got a lot of people coming up to me and telling me, that's great, like this seems like a full-fledged course to do in terms of like writing a poetry. But what if I'm just a beginner and I've never written a poem before? Can you make a course which is more basic to explain people about like how to write like their first poem ever? And that's exactly what my course looks at now. My latest course caters for you to write your original first poem. Like it could be an original poem. that you want to gift it to someone, that your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your husband, your wife, your mom, your son, your dad, anyone basically. You can just gift it to them as a very personal gift. You can write on handmade paper and give it, but it is very special when you've written it yourself and you haven't paid someone else to basically write it. Or like even better, like than just buying something online and just like sending it over. So this is more personalized, right? I mean, who wouldn't love a poem written for them, like only for them, for that occasion? Like what can get better than that? That's like talking 17th century, 18th century, like age old classic, like sucker of a romantic stuff. So yeah, or like love stuff for anyone, of course, right? So go out there, check out the link in the bio, in the description, and then you can just look at you can look at my course on Skillshare, which is about how to write your first poem. Oh my god, so that's that as an update. I think I just clubbed 2021 and 2020 for you, together. It has been very difficult year for most of us, and my main motive of this video, coming up to you and talking to you right now, was to give you an update on what's happening lately. So one of the main thing is that, of course, I've recently published a course, and now I'm a yoga wellness instructor. So I do that, and I've been enjoying myself writing blogs for companies because of my newfound growth and confidence to be able to write for things. I was always freelance writing, it's been, I don't know, 10 years, but now I'm much more it's in my skin. So all that's on, and all that's really nice. Life is going amazing, and God's been so kind to me. The universe has been so kind to me. So I do have a very big news to share, but I think I'm gonna hold it off for another time. So in the meanwhile, you look at my course, my new course, and if you wanna re-look at my previous stuff, read my books, enjoy your time. I hope you all guys are doing great with life slowly getting back to normal. I know I don't want work from home taken away from us, but I hope you're adjusting to it in your own ways. Of course, outside world is still good, and it's good for our mental health especially. So I hope everything's good. Go over the usual stuff, and I'll see you in the next video where I will share with you the biggest news and the biggest change that is happening in my life, that is actually gonna bring in a lot more videos and a lot more content for you. In the meanwhile, I really want to thank you. We are at 40 subscribers, and that's also very big for me because I started as 9 or 10 people. So thank you for sticking by and being a part of my journey, and I'm so happy that you're seeing my growth, and you're you've been with me from the beginning, and there's so much more to come. There's so much excitement coming up. So Oscar, come. So let me introduce you to my dog before I go. Because I don't know if he's gonna be there next time. Oh my god. So let's say hi, Oski. So that's Oscar. Yesterday we covered 1,000 kilometers by car with my dog and my cat. And tell me if you want me to put more videos of them on this platform. Do you want to see that? I don't know if you would be interested. So tell me, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Just go out there. Sorry. Yeah, I think my main motive of this video was to